second left onto Domnia.
Yan, dito ata.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
Wait lang dati, hindi kasya.
Ang maliliit na car lang talaga.
Hirap ang daan. Daan. Wait lang yan. Diretso ka lang. Liit ng ano, sasak ano. Dandang ka na lang ma. Ganda. Baka naman wrong way tayo. Pero yung mga yan nag-ano naman oh. Ang tawag niyan? Wait lang. Tignan mo baka ba yung pag mga crossing. Dire-diretso. Dahan lang. Crossing eh. Alam mong boat crossing dalawa.
That song was brought to you by Whirlpool Home Appliances that make everyday living so much easier. Washers, dryers, refrigerators, microwave ovens, cooking products, to air cons, air purifiers, and dishwashers. Whirlpool, sensing what matters today, making your world a little easier. Whirlpool.
That song was brought to you by Arena Plus. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Download Arena Plus app now in App Store. You can watch it also on arenaplus.ph. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun, game responsibly.
One road to.
Failure will never overtake you if your determination to succeed is strong enough.
Maanohan ka naman dito, huwag ka masyadong mag-gilid naman. Hindi, isa lang naman ang inaano nila eh.
This time check is brought to you by Fujidenso Home and Commercial Appliances, where you get reliable, durable, and energy-saving products. Upgrade your usual appliances to Fujidenso HD Inverter Appliances. Fujidenso, quality above all. Upgrade your home, upgrade your business with Fujidenso, quality above all.
Home radio time, it is now 10:19.
Hey, meron din sa likod natin oh, pag ganitong sasakyan. Pag ganito, wait lang ah. Oo, sa likod, nakita ko din. Sasakyan din yung gaya natin. Oh, may mga isla. Alam mo itong mga ano na to, bata.
Arena Plus. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Download Arena Plus app now in App Store. You can watch it also on arenaplus.ph. Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun, game responsibly. Listen up, lovebirds. Make this Valentine's Day truly special. City State Tower Hotel is giving one lucky couple
Busina ka kasi.
to win an all-expenses paid
Bubusina
dinner
eh.
date.
At tumabi sila.
In fine dining and fine entertainment at one of Manila's most romantic spots. To enter, visit City State Tower Hotel Manila and Home Radio Official on Facebook for the full mechanics. Create unforgettable moments. Get ready to sweep your sweetheart off their feet. With a Valentine's Day to remember. Brought to you by City State Tower Hotel Manila and Home Radio 97.9. It feels good to be home. City State Tower Hotel is located at 1315 A. Mabini Street, Ermita, Manila.
ask me, what is a sweetheart? Let me define the word for you in a song. Ask me what is a sweetheart? Whose smile
Parang pang December naman yung kanta ni ano? Ni... Oh. Hindi siya pang... Hindi siya pang ano... Tingnan mo, madilim ako dati. Parang uulan. O nagmotor tayo, basa tayo. 2 minutes na lang. Nakakatakot. Parang nakakatakot naman yung daan dito. At least, nakapagturman lang.
Nakapagtong ka naman ng dansa.
Visit. At least may purpose lang na.
Map mo ito mamaya na. Palabas.
Ha?
Map mo palabas.
Oo, hindi natin malalaman sa paano. Feeling ko yung shortcut lang yan tayo pinadaan.
Alam mo. Namin yan ito.
Ano, malapit na dati.
We're here. We're in a plug.
I think we're here na. It's 1 minute. Uy, parang maganda bumili doon ng ano. Baka mura yung ano doon, ma. Yung ano. Pangalan nun?
Bukas?
Hindi. Yung
Mais?
hindi. Palang. Ilocano ng palang. Anong Tagalog ng palang? Sigarilyas. Tingnan mo. Tandaan ka na. Malapit na tayo.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay. Turn left. Oh, signal ka natin sa likod. May likod sa motor.
Side check talaga. Sabi na po.
Oh,
Your
maganda.
destination is on the left.
Okay. Maingay. Ano ka magkano dito dati? So, dito na kami sa aming tripping. Anong unit to? Ano to dati? Project?
Pansa.
Oh! Masakyan. Bisinahan ka dyan ah. Dito na tayo.
Hindi pa parang.
Wala kang pagparkang eh.